Welcome to Fly High with English. Here you will learn some useful sentences that are commonly used in everyday conversation. Let's start. Kitchen मधून बाहेर जा. Get out of the kitchen. Get out of the kitchen. मला खूप बरं नाहीये. I'm very unwell. I'm very unwell. मला थोडं बरं वाटत नाहीये. I'm feeling a bit sick. I'm feeling a bit sick. मला झोप येत आहे. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. ते केव्हापासून हे करत आहेत? Since when have they been doing this? Since when have they been doing this? आता काय बोलायचे राहिले आहे? Now what is left to say? Now what is left to say? तुम्ही कुठे कुठे गेला? Where all did you go? Where all did you go? हे बरोबर नाही. This is not right. This is not right. मी तुला विचारून सांगतो. I'll let you know after asking. I'll let you know after asking. मी त्याच्यावर विश्वास ठेवला. I trusted him. I trusted him. विश्वास ठेव अगर नको ठेवू, ते सत्य आहे. Believe it or not, it is true. Believe it or not, it is true. तुला काय वाटत आहे? What are you feeling? What are you feeling? जायच्या अगोदर दरवाजा बंद कर. Lock the door before you leave. Lock the door before you leave. त्याने मध्ये सोडून दिले नाही तुझ्यासारखे. म्हणजेच तो हिम्मत हारला नाही असा त्याचा अर्थ आहे. He didn't give up in the middle like you did. He didn't give up in the middle like you did. मी तुझी मेहनत वाया जाऊ देणार नाही. I won't let your hard work go to waste. I won't let your hard work go to waste. Goodbye friends. Like, share and subscribe.